welcome to the channel. Just wanted to let you guys know this is a 55-inch Sony TV. I currently dropped it from my stand, and you know what happened. So let me just show you guys the video and show you the quick steps to getting your TV back in shape, so you can go back to watching your football games or watching your Netflix videos, etc. So this is how your TV should be looking. Some people get it scratched on top or broken on top. I got it on the bottom. First things first, you're gonna need to get yourself some crystals. You can find these at your local Dollar Tree for $1. You can't beat that. $1 and you'll have your baby back in action. So it's a good investment in my case, because instead of wasting all them hundreds, a shirt, right? Just to make it simpler, don't get no paper towels to not waste more money. You already broke your TV and you don't want to accidentally break it more. So the thing is, with this, you have to put as least water as possible, but just enough to get the screen moist. Okay? And I suggest to do this with your TV off. Obviously, you don't want to get electrified, and I am not telling anybody to do this at home. So you give it a good wipe. Make sure you see the water nice and moist show up. Sometimes you may need a little more. It's like cleaning it. Pretty much think of cleaning it before it broke, and now you're cleaning it while it's broken. Okay, I think that's about done. Okay, well, you have to have a conventional blow dryer, so make sure you can get one of these. This is going to be one of your main tools to get your screen back in action. So you gotta do just a couple of rounds. Make sure you dry up all the moisture. And if you feel like you have to come and do it again, don't be worried. Repeat this process about 5 times to get the best possible outcome, Trust me, if you do the right steps, you'll have your TV up and running in no time. It might seem a little annoying. It might even seem a little impossible. But watch and see. As you're drying it, you can go thinking, how are you going to better yourself so this doesn't happen again? Maybe get a new installer. Stop doing it yourself. Okay, I think this is a wrap. This is about right. So, the TV, we're going to give it 45 minutes to make sure everything is nice and dry. Okay, after this, I believe we should be back up and running. So after you completed the process, you should be looking at a clean screen. At this point, you grab your controller and turn on your TV. Cross your fingers. It helps, believe me. Oh. No. Well, at this point, I've done it 4 times and the same screen keeps popping up. So you grab your controller, save this. It's gonna be useful. You put it here. Next thing you do, grab one of your right or your left, and you just